Why does your scanner show the P0606 engine code? What does it mean? P0606 is a OBD2 diagnostic trouble code for PCM or ECM processor fault. It indicates that there is a process or fault in the Powertrain Control Module. The PCM is the computer that assesses and controls all of your vehicle's vital components and systems. It is the brain behind your car. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty wiring, defective ground circuit, control area network bus communication issues, computer glitches, failed PCM/ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code appears in various OBD2 vehicles, especially in Toyota vehicles and in Citroën C3 Picasso. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.